Hello and welcome! You probably know tahini is the key ingredient in hummus and dressings, but today I'm going to show you a completely different way to use it, a traditional Middle Eastern dessert halwa. This version is packed with nutrients, naturally sweet, and incredibly easy to make. You will only need 3 ingredients: a cup of tahini, a cup of dates, and half a cup of unsalted pistachios. Let's get started. First, add the tahini to your food processor. I just made mine by blending 2 cups of lightly roasted sesame seeds. Next, add in the pitted and chopped dates. Process on high speed for a couple of minutes until the dates break down and fully incorporate into the tahini. You should end up with a thick, sticky mixture like this. Now let's prepare the pistachios. Roughly chop them and divide them into equal parts. Do the same with tahini date mixture. Get a container lined with parchment paper and start layering. Spread half of the pistachios evenly at the bottom. Press in half of the tahini date mixture until smooth. Repeat with the remaining pistachios and mixture, pressing everything in well for a uniform texture. Let it chill in the fridge for a few hours or overnight. This will help it set beautifully. Once it's ready, take it out, slice it up, and here you have it, a super simple, naturally sweet, and absolutely delicious treat. Bon appétit!